Hello students, welcome to NJ Math World. Today I am here to solve first semester BCA Mathematical Foundation question paper of May June 2022. The subject code of the paper is DCCA 103A NEP syllabus Bangalore North University. So the time duration of the paper is 2.5 hours and maximum marks of the paper is 60. Instructions: answer all the sessions. In session A, we have 2 mark questions where you need to answer only 6. So, here, the first question of the paper is write the truth table for the proposition negation of P and Q. And is a conjunctive where we have to find negation of P and Q. So, here, solution: P, Q, P and Q. We'll be writing first the bracket and then overall negation of P and Q. So here T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. The condition for conjunction or for and. Condition for and is when P is true and Q is true, the answer is true. Else the remaining is false. Only it is true when both the prepositions are true. Then negation of P and Q. Now whatever answer we got for P and Q, we are going to negate that answer. So negation is nothing but changing the truth value to the opposite. If it is true, it becomes false. If it is false, it changes to true. If it is false, it changes to T. If it is F, it changes to T. Moving on with the second one. Define proposition, give an example. Solution: a proposition is a statement that is either true or false, but not both. It's like a fact or an idea that can be either correct or incorrect. For example, the sun is shining is a proposition. It is either true or false depending on the whether the sun is actually shining at that moment. Second example can be Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka, which is a true statement. Then moving on with the next question, next example, 2 plus 4 is 10, which is a false statement. Preposition is nothing but it says whether the statement is true or it is false. The third question is if A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 3, 4, 5, 6, find A intersection B and A union B. Now, A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is given as 3, 4, 5, 6. So, here A intersection B will be intersection is nothing but selecting the common elements from the bracket. So, we write A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection of B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Selecting the common element from the bracket will be the solution for intersection. So that is 3 is common. So we write 3, comma 4 is common in both. This answer will be 4. So A intersection B is 3, comma 4. So next is A union B. Union B is to write all the elements together. We are going to write the elements together. That is, A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Union of 3, 4, 5, 6. So here union is or writing all the elements together. So that is we have 1, then we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. Here 4, 3 and 4 we have already written, so we will not consider this. Then we have 5, then we have 6. So writing all the elements of A and B in one common bracket is called as union, where the repeated element should not be considered. The next question is, if A is 1, 2, 3 and B is A, B, C, D, given a relation R is 1, comma A, 1, comma C, 2, comma D, 2, comma C, find inverse of R and range of R. Solution given A is 1, 2, 3, B is A, B, C, D, and the relation R is 1, comma A, 1, comma C, 2, comma D, 2, comma C. So now R inverse will be just interchanging the elements of x comma y. That is 1 comma A will change to A comma 1, 1 comma C will change to C comma 1, 2 comma D will change to D comma 2, 2 comma C will change to C comma 2. We are going to interchange the elements of domain and codomain. That's nothing but called as R inverse. Then next one, moving with this R range of R. A range of R are the second elements of a relation. That is, if you take the second elements of relation, we have here the second element is A, then we have C, the second element is C, then we have D, the second element is D, and C is repeated, so we will not consider. So the range RAN is considered to be range. Range is A, comma C, comma D. Then moving with the next question. If A is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2 and B is 2, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0, find 2A plus B. So here 2A plus B is 2 into the matrix A 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2 and plus B is 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So yeah, multiply this 2 inside the bracket, it changes to 1, 1 into 2, 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So now next one, plus 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now it is adding the elements. So we are going to add first element with first one. First element with first one we get 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 4 plus 0. Second with second 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 0 is 4. So the next one is define a square matrix. Give an example. A square matrix is a matrix that has the same number of rows and columns. In other words, it is a matrix with an equal number of rows and columns, represented as a n cross n matrix. The order of the matrix is n cross n, where n is the number of rows which is also equal to number of columns. So for example, if I take A is 1 minus 6 minus 7 and minus 10. So here I have a row, first row and second row. There are two rows and we columns. We have C1 and C2. So here we have the first order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. That is, order is row into s- column. So we have two rows and two columns. Then moving with the second one, we have here one row is 1, 2 and 3. We have three rows and we have 1, 2, 3 columns. So we have three columns. So both this are the examples of square matrix. Moving with the next one, we have find the values of the determinant 167230014. So to find the determinant 167230014. So we need to write plus minus plus. To do the operation of determinant, we should consider the sign plus minus plus. Now select the first element of the determinant, first row first column element. So when you are considering first row first column element, that will be plus 1 plus 1. So the element which we select, we have to leave that row and that column, and we should write the remaining elements in the determinant form. Then going with the second one, second element of the determinant, we have to neglect that row and that column. So we have minus 6 and the remaining elements are 2, 0, 0, 4. Then the last element of the determinant, that is plus 7, that row and that column we should neglect. It is plus 7 into, we are left with 2, 3, 0, 1. 2, 3, 0, 1. Solve the determinants. By solving determinant, we get the solution, that is plus 1. We have to cross multiply. 3 into 4 is 3, 4, 12. Minus we should write always when you cross multiply the other side. 1 into 0 is 0. Then minus 6. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 0 into 0 is 0. Plus 7. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 0 into 3 is 0. So here it changes to plus 1 into 12. If there is no sign, we can consider to be plus, minus 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2. So here the answer is plus 1 into plus 12 minus 6 into plus 8 plus 7 into plus 2. So here plus into plus is plus, 12 into 1 is 12. Minus into plus is minus, 6 into 4 is 48. Plus into plus is plus, 7 into 4 is 7 into 2 is 14. So here same sign we need to add. So it is 12 plus 14 is 6, 20, 26. So here minus 48 plus 26 will give us minus 48 plus 26. So subtraction, if you do, it is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So sign will be minus because it is a greater sign. Where if we have to write the greater number sign in the answer. So it is minus 22 will be the answer for the given determinant. So moving with the next question, we have if y is 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 7. They're asking us to find the differentiation of the term. It should be differentiated two times, that is first order and second order. So here differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x, we get dy by dx is, we will be writing 2 as it is. Differentiation of x cube will be 3x square. We are using the formula here x power n. Differentiation of x power n, which is n into x into n minus 1. Then minus 9 as it is, minus 9. We are differentiating the x square. So it will become 2x1. I'm not writing it 1. 2x. I'm writing 2x because x to the power of 1 is x only. Then plus 12, plus 12, differentiation of x. Differentiation of x. Differentiation of x is 1. Then plus constant. Constant will be plus constant differentiation, plus constant differentiation is 0. So here we get 2 into 3 is 6 x square minus 9 into 2 is 18 x plus 12 into 1 is 12. So this is dy by dx. So now differentiating with respect to x again. Differentiating with respect to x. With respect to x, we get one more time we should differentiate because it is given d square y by dx square. So if you differentiate second time, it becomes d square y by dx square will be 6 as it is. Differentiation of x square will be 2x. Then minus 18 as it is. Differentiation of x will be 1. Then plus differentiation of constant will be 0. So yeah, overall d square y by dx square is 6 into 2 is 12x minus 18 into 1 is 18. So this is the required solution. So the ninth question is evaluate limit x tends to 0 sine 3x by x. We have some sandwich formula where it says limit x tends to 0 sine x by x will be equal to 1. So we'll be using this property of limit to solve this problem. We have here we have 3 where the 3 is missing here. So what we'll do, we'll multiply and divide by 3. So it changes to this 3, we can take it outside, actually 3. In the bracket we can write limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0 sine 3x divided by, multiply this 3 into x, 3 into x actually 3x. So which is nothing but 3 and the whole term this becomes 1. So the solution will be 3. Hope you people have understood what I have taught. For the next main session questions, follow my channel and like and comment. If you have anything to inquire, you can send me in the comment box. Thank you students for watching my channel.